Hi, this is Carolyn again. Today I'm just going to do a really quick recipe, and the recipe I've chosen to do today is mock banana. It's an extremely strange recipe using parsnips. Before the war, the British imported 20 tons of food every year. And when rationing was brought in, one of the first things that the British no longer had on their menu were bananas, and they loved the bananas. They went crazy for them. So they really missed them when they weren't available anymore. And that's why the legendary recipe called mock bananas were brought in. First of all, you peel the parsnips and slice them up into small pieces. Boil them for 5 to 10 minutes until they're soft. Okay, here's the moment of truth. It's time for my lunch, and whether I like it or not, I've got to eat this stuff. So it's mock banana sandwiches made with parsnips, caster sugar and banana essence. So here goes, and I'll give you my honest and total truth. It tastes banana-y, but it also tastes like parsnips. So the taste is rather bizarre, not unpleasant, and I am going to eat them all for lunch. I don't like wasting food, so I guess here goes. Cheers. Okay.
Goes the farmer's gun. Run, rabbit, run, 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 run.